In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide Favorite Toolbar in TradingView. If you spend any time drawing on charts or switching between commonly used tools, the Favorites Toolbar is a huge time saver. It keeps your go-to drawing tools and other starred items in one place so you don't have to dig through menus every time. The best part is that turning it on and off is incredibly simple, and it doesn't change your chart or your saved settings. It only controls whether that quick access strip is visible. Start by looking at your chart interface and shift your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small star icon sitting on the edge of the chart area. It's subtle, so take a second to find it. This star is the control for the Favorites toolbar. Once you've located the star, click it. Right away, the Favorites toolbar will appear on your chart, showing the tools and items you've previously marked as favorites. From here, you can quickly select those tools without opening extra menus, which keeps your workflow smooth and your chart area tidy. If you're new to TradingView, think of this as your personalized tool belt, pinned to the interface for instant access. That's really all there is to it. The star icon acts like a simple visibility switch for your favorites. When the star is active, the toolbar is visible. When it isn't, the toolbar is hidden. So whenever you want more chart space, use that same star to keep the view clean, and when you need your tools back, use the star again to bring them up. It's a quick, one-control solution for managing workspace clutter and speed. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind for clarity. Showing or hiding the Favorites toolbar doesn't remove any tools from your account or change your chart layout. It only toggles the display of the Favorites strip. Your saved items remain exactly the way you set them. And because this control lives on the chart, it's easy to reach without interrupting your analysis. That's it. A fast, reliable way to show or hide your Favorites toolbar with a single click on the star in the bottom left corner of your TradingView chart. Try it the next time you're switching between tools or when you want to maximize screen space while analyzing price action. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient charting workflow.